Hello everyone, welcome here. In this lecture, you are going to learn how we are going to controlling our control flow statement. Till now we have seen to applying for loop, while loop and do while loop statements to making a condition with the condition is satisfied. Based on the condition we have executed successfully. Now using break keyword to how to stop the execution. How? Yes, it is very simple and easy. Let's see. Inside the block of code of if statement, I am implementing if condition. See, if I equal to something like a 2, and here I am implementing one more statement which is called like a block of code like a break keyword, break, terminate. That's it. Now let's see what happens if I run this program. Earlier we have seen all the things. Now what happens? Let's see. 1 2 3 4 5 things we have get, and now with the implementation of break keyword, let's save this and run. Wow, only 2 things are coming. When I equal to 0, y I equal to 1, till 2 items are coming. Then immediately if I is matching with the 2 value, then immediately it is break the loop statement. It's terminating the loop. It won't be depends upon the condition till the satisfaction or not. This is very simply we can implement the break keyword in to control the loop statements. Alright, in the next lecture we'll see the continue how happens. Thank you.